Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Lavinia and I post beauty videos regarding makeup, skincare, acne, and acne positivity, and just making you feel good in your own skin. So if that's something you're interested in, I would love for you to join my channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. So today we are going to be talking about some of the mistakes that I see with people trying to heal their acne. I have been struggling with acne for around 7 years now. I started getting it when I was around 13, regular teenage breakouts that kind of turned into more hormonal breakouts. And I actually got rid of all that acne by going on hormonal birth control and regulating my hormones. And once I got off that hormonal birth control, my hormones kind of went all over the place. And during the summer, I had some really, really bad hormonal breakouts, probably the worst my skin has ever been. The hormonal acne kind of migrated from this lower half of my face, which is where I typically get my acne, and it kind of went all over towards my forehead, my temples, and even the sides of my face. So it was something very, very different for me. I've never experienced acne to that extent. And I was kind of learning how to deal with it and kind of take on the new hormonal changes that I was dealing with in my routine. That being said, now I'm on a journey to kind of mitigate the acne back down and deal with a lot of the scarring left over as well. And through all my experience, the reason I'm giving you all this backstory is because I know what it's like to have acne. I've tried it all. I've done all the treatments. I've tried every single product basically on the planet. So I'm really here to give you guys my tips and everything I have learned and make sure that you don't make some of the same mistakes that I maybe made while on this full journey. I see a lot of, mistakes be done when it comes to acne, and I really want to simplify it down for you guys and show you some essential steps that you should be using in your routine to make sure that you are supporting your skin, healing the acne, and also cutting down that bacteria within your skincare routine. I've got my tea here, a little acne safe tea. We got spearmint and nettle. I've been drinking this basically every day. Not only does it taste yummy, but it also really, really helps with my acne. I want to do like a full video on the supplements and what I've kind of been doing through my diet. We're going to focus on the skincare today, but grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's get into it.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters in my sheets.
So to help me through walking you guys through the tips today, I am going to be featuring the Hero The Comeback Kit. This is one of their holiday kits that they're doing this winter. Hero is basically bringing all of you 5 unique kits that contain the best of their products, as well as at really, really great discount prices. And I'm going to be focusing on the Comeback Kit today. This is basically a little travel case of some of the best products from Hero Cosmetics, which Hero Cosmetics has been a brand that I have been absolutely obsessed with for helping my acne prone skin. I not only use their sunscreen, I've completely run out of it, but I've also used their acne patches religiously, and we're gonna get into that as well. But they're a brand that's really supported me throughout my skincare journey, so I thought this would be the perfect kit for me to show you guys these tips in action. This to me is like the perfect intro to a skincare routine as well, so that's why I wanted to show it to you guys as well, because it really walks you through everything you need to start off a basic routine for acne prone skin. And this is only $20. Like, what a steal. $20, and you get to try out 3 Hero Cosmetics products all in one kit. And this one is originally $32, but it is now $20 for this holiday sale. So I'm gonna open it up right here and show you guys what is inside, and then we'll get into all of my tips. So here is what the kit looks like. Opening it up. I love this on the inside here. The hero of the story is you. So cute. And then it says, so this trio is really going to help handle blemishes gently and bounce back fast with brighter, happier skin. Breakouts happen, but it's the outcome that counts. I love that, because literally breakouts do happen, but there are things we can do about them. So it does come in a little travel case, which is really nice if you travel a lot. I know I'll be doing a lot of traveling during this holiday season right here. So it does come in this really, really great case. Will keep your products protected, and then it just slides open. So this is a little travel kind of trio. These products you can all buy in full size though, but these are great if you want to try out some Hero products too. For $20, you can get all 3 of these products with the case. Try them out, see how they work for your skin. I personally really love minis like this because sometimes not everything works for everyone's skin, and there's so many great products out there that sometimes don't work for me, and sometimes we don't want to spend so much money on a product just to have it not work for our skin. So this way you can try out some of Hero's products, see how they work for you. I think you'll love them. But you'll really get to put them to the test, and then you'll be able to kind of know if you want the full size or not. So let's get into what is actually in this kit. We first off have the Rescue Balm. This is a post-blemish recovery cream. So I'm gonna get into what these products are in a second as I go through all the tips. So tip number one that I see so often is not taking care of your moisture barrier and your skin barrier when you're trying to heal your acne. Obviously, we all know if you've had acne before, you've probably gone in with all the acids and the retinols and all the treatments and everything like that. And that can honestly be really damaging on your skin barrier and your moisture barrier. And you might think, hey, I'm just putting all this stuff on my skin, it's going to cure my acne and make my skin look really clear and nice. But what you're really doing is you're being way too harsh on your skin. You're really stripping it down. And this can actually cause not only more acne because you have a damaged barrier, but it can also cause a delay in how your acne can actually heal, and it can cause more scarring, just more dehydration, and it's really not giving your skin those tools to help heal itself because you are completely stripping it of everything that it needs. So I see this done a lot. I see people, overdo it on their skin, could potentially get even like chemical rashes or just irritation that can form more breakouts, more flare-ups, more redness, more inflammation, which can make the acne look worse actually. So what I recommend is really taking a step back to make sure that your routine includes a product or many products that can actually benefit and supplement your skin while it's in this healing phase. And that is where this product comes in right here. This is the Hero Rescue Balm. This is what this looks like right here. And this is a post-blemish recovery cream. This is really going to tackle that redness, that dryness, that flakiness and irritation that comes along with having acne, and that also gets, maybe amplified by some of the acne treatments that we use out there, which is really going to, put your skin in a position to actually heal those breakouts properly. So this is something I highly recommend. And you will apply this after moisturizer, which I'll be showing you guys how to apply all these products in the correct order near the end of the video. But this will go on after your moisturizer, kind of to lock everything in. Think of it as like, the final seal to all of your skincare to really recover your skin overnight. And you can even use this during the day if you want. Next thing I see is people really try to heal their acne, but then they get discouraged because they feel like they have all this scarring left behind, which can look like acne. And they're like, I'm using all these great, amazing products to heal my acne, but when I look in the mirror or when I take a photo of my skin, it still kind of looks like I have acne, which of course is totally normal. I preach acne positivity every single day, and your spots are beautiful, your strawberry freckles are beautiful, but sometimes, we do want products that can kind of help get rid of that scarring while we are healing our acne. And I would honestly try to do this as a combo kind of skincare routine. You want to try to target both issues at once, and there are products that you can use to do so. One method I'm a really big fan of is actually skin cycling. This is something where you can kind of integrate your acne treatment one day and then your acne scar treatment the other, and you're gonna get this duo effect to kind of heal both things at once. And this way you're not just waiting till all of your acne is cleared to clear your scars, because let's be honest, for all of us out there that struggle with acne on a continuous basis, there's never going to really be like one day where we just don't have any acne left on our face. It's going to be this kind of like acne scars, acne scars, and kind of this overall cycle. So I like to use products that can kind of help me heal my acne scars in the process that I'm also healing my acne. And that's where the lightning wand comes in. This is what this product looks like right here. I love this little mini, and it has a roller ball, as you can see there. So this is actually a brightening serum packed in here with this little roller ball action. We have ingredients such as niacinamide, which niacinamide is actually a great ingredient as it helps brighten those dark spots on the skin, but it actually also stunts pigmentation from spreading throughout the skin, and it even decreases things like inflammation and even some irritation in the skin. It's a very, very stable ingredient and is really, really great for those post-inflammatory marks that are left behind from acne. Another great ingredient here is vitamin C. Vitamin C really helps brighten the skin and brighten those dark spots. So especially with that niacinamide combo, some people argue that you shouldn't use these ingredients together. I personally really like to use them together, and I think that duo really, really makes a difference. And then last but not least, we also have tranexamic acid in here. Tranexamic acid is actually a ingredient that's used a lot it's actually used to stop bleeding in medical procedures. It's used a lot in surgeries, but tranexamic acid has been shown to have a really good effect topically on the skin for treating acne scars and helping with that pigmentation as well. So in here we have that like ultimate trio of niacinamide, vitamin C, and tranexamic acid that's really going to target those acne scars and help them fade over time. The next mistake I want to talk about is picking at your skin. Oh my gosh, the way I used to do this all the time when I was younger, I would get those really painful juicy cysts, especially on my chin area, and this, like, there's bone under here, so they would be really apparent and they would often turn to whiteheads right away. The way I wish I could like go back into time and tell myself not to pick at my skin or yell at myself in the mirror, be like, don't touch the pimple, don't pop it. It would have saved me so much more healing time. It would have saved me so many less acne scars. Popping or picking at your skin is probably the worst thing that you can do, but I know that when you have hormonal or cystic acne, sometimes those spots just pop on their own. Like sometimes they're so inflamed and there's so much pressure that they just break on their own, and it can be really hard not to just try to get everything else out of it. So this is where pimple patches have literally become my saving grace. I use these religiously. I apply pimple patches every single night. I wear them during the day to work. This is like all I use. This is a product that I cannot live without. Someone literally asked me once if I had a lifetime supply of any skincare item, what would it be? Definitely pimple patches, because I go through them literally as fast as water. And Hero happens to make one of my favorite pimple patches. The way I literally go through these so fast, I'm always ordering more of these because I just go through them like that, especially because I do have a lot of acne, so I have to kind of put these all over, especially with those cystic pimples that kind of explode. Pimple patches are definitely the way to go. So we get a little mini pack in the comeback kit here, and these are their regular tried and true Hero blemish patches. They do have a bunch of different versions in their full size. They have the invisible patch, which I always wear to work. They have their micro needle patch, which is really good for those deep kind of underground pimples. But this one right here is actually their Mighty Patch Duo. So this is a really good combination because you get their original Mighty Patch in here, which is a simple hydrocolloid, and you also get their invisible patch, which I really like to wear throughout the day to work. So this is like the best of both worlds. You get 6 of the daytime, which are these ones right here, 6 hydrocolloids, and then 6 of the invisible, which are a little bit thinner, and these actually do look pretty invisible when you wear them. I find I can kind of wear them with makeup to work and they look really, really great. So this is a great way to try these out and see how they work for you. But basically hydrocolloid patches suck up all that gunk out of your pimples, and this is gonna help heal that pimple overnight, get all that bacteria and gunk out of it without you touching it, without risking infection, without you pressing your nails into it and risking more scarring. This will really do that job for you, and it will also create a barrier over that pimple and let it heal properly, which, as you can see, is kind of the repetition of this video. You want to let your skin heal when you're struggling with acne, and these really help me out with that. So now that I've kind of gone through some of my major tips here, let's get into using these products and showing you how I get them into a routine. So I do have some makeup on right now, so I'm going to go cleanse this off with a cleansing balm and a gentle cleanser, and I'll be right back. All right, so the skin is now cleansed. I'm going in with a little serum. This one's from Peach Slices. It's their azelaic acid. So I just cleanse the face. And you want to go in with any serums you're using first. Apply that all on. Then we're gonna go in with the lightning wand. And I have a lot of acne scars, so I'm just going to take some of this product on my hand, but you can target with this, which is really nice because you can just kind of like, these are all scars for me. But I'm gonna take a bunch of the product, take it on my hands and kind of press it where I have those active acne scars. I'll just kind of roll around. So as you can see, most of what's on my skin right now is actually acne scars, funny enough. Like my forehead and all the sides of my face are acne scars. So those 3 ingredients, niacinamide, vitamin C, and tranexamic acid, are really, really gonna help with that. Press that all in. I'm gonna go in with the Mighty Patch. I'm gonna be using the original today, which I love to use at night. Here are the patches. Now as we can see, I do have a whitehead there. I could pop it, but I'm not going to because that's going to not help the skin heal any faster. So I'm gonna apply that right there and it just goes on so nicely. I have a few other whiteheads lying around, so just gonna use these patches and deal with those. And then I'll be using these tomorrow morning because often when I take these off, there's still some gunk left. And then with 2 patches, it's usually like, boom, done. Pimple is healed. So then I'll go ahead and apply the invisible patch in the morning tomorrow for work. Time for moisturizer. So you want to apply your moisturizer after the patches so that they don't slip and slide and they actually adhere to the skin. I'm just gonna apply a good hydrating and nourishing moisturizer all over the face. And then, as I said, we're gonna lock that in with the Rescue Balm. So you want to take this, and it's like a thick cream, and we're gonna lock that in. My skin has been really dry this winter, so this also helps with that, just locking that moisture in and making sure that I don't wake up with super dry skin and that my skin still has the moisture and hydration that it needs to actually heal. Boom. The routine is done. Then I can go ahead, place my products in their little travel case. So just remember, guys, that you guys can get this kit right here for $20. I will have it linked down below. Now for the holidays, it's a perfect way to try out some Hero Cosmetics and actually discover some new products that might help you along your acne journey that I have been using religiously, especially those pimple patches. Those are my essential. They are the equivalent of water to me. Like I said, I need them to survive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully you learned something from these tips. We are all in this journey together. Remember that acne is normal. Love your skin at any point throughout your journey, whether it's full of acne or full of scars or completely clear. Love your skin unconditionally, no matter the stage of your journey that you're at. And just remember that your skin is beautiful, no matter the breakouts, the texture, the scarring, any of that. Your skin is absolutely stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to turn on my post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload, which is every Friday at 8 a.m. MST. If you do want to see more of my content, you can go check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Lavinia. We post tons of content on there, so you definitely don't want to miss that out. And if you want to connect with me a little further, you can go join our Discord channel. So many of us acne warriors are on there. We all share our stories, and I would love to get to know you a little bit better. So I definitely love to see you in the server. Hope you're having a fantastic day or night whenever you guys are watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave, I call you right back to check for monsters.